Let's break down the interface into small sections to get a feel for the layout of the application. This is your sidebar. This is where you'll see your folders and notes, plus things like search and plugins later. The big middle area is your editor. This is where you actually type your notes. Up here at the top is where you create new notes, open settings, and switch views. We're not going to use every button right now. We just want to get familiar with what you're looking at. Let's go ahead and delete the 2 sample notes so we can start with a clean slate. Now we'll set up a simple skeleton that you can grow into. I am creating 3 top-level folders. This structure keeps everything clean, makes it clear where things belong, and does not limit you to a rigid structure that is counterproductive to the very best feature of Obsidian, the ability to make new connections by allowing your notes to live free from the confines of a folder. Let's start with raw notes. This is your dumping zone. Anything messy, half-formed, fleeting, etc. goes here. Inside, I am adding 2 small subfolders, Look Into and Papers to Read. Look Into is for those ideas, thoughts you want to research later. It basically means, this caught my attention. Future me, please go back and look this up. Papers to Read is a catch-all for academic papers, articles you run into but don't have time to dive in yet. Everything else can just be a plain, raw note. The point of this folder is to remove the pressure of creating a perfect note. Next is source material. This is where everything lives that counts as reference material created by other people in their various forms. Finally, the Zettelkasten folder. You can call this notes or commonplace if you prefer. This is where your words live. Let's see the vault in action while I show you an example of how I take my annotated reads, enter them into Obsidian, and dive into my vault graph to make connections and use my knowledge in real-life scenarios. When I enter in a note, I use the designated hotkeys around any term, key concept, or main idea that identifies the note. This hotkey creates an independent note for that highlighted excerpt. This is how you create links. Anytime you enter the hotkeys and begin to type, Obsidian pulls up a menu of existing notes related to your entry. You can click an existing note to link it and make the connection, or if none exists, create a new one by pressing enter after your hotkeys. Weeks after reading these books, I wrote an article for Substack outlining how to remember everything you read and effective strategies for taking notes. In the graph view, I was able to find supporting evidence to my writing to include in my Substack article to help reinforce my writing with the ability to visually see the connecting ideas across many different sources in my knowledge vault.